time I walk past her place, she will smile and I will say hello, smile and wave back. One beautiful Saturday, we met on the way to the street market. And honestly, I told her how young and beautiful she looks at 80. She smiled back, speechless, with some beautiful eye contact. Then, of course, my mind went straight to food. What do you eat? What is the secret? She smiled and said, I will show you what I eat. That is, if you will follow me. I said, I'm all yours. We laughed. We got to the vegetable area and she bought all the vegetable I just displayed. The lettuce, carrot, radish, tomatoes, cucumber, pear, and lemon. We also stopped by and she bought some prawns and eggs. Then she told me, boil the eggs, combine the vegetable, do not cook them. Okay, so I got some for myself too. Funny enough, I didn't spend much. Got back to the house and I did as she said. Wash the vegetable properly, chop the vegetable. For the prawns, I cleaned the prawns and okay, so I combined all the beautiful vegetables, 6 vegetables together. The lettuce, carrot, radish, tomatoes, cucumber, pear, prawns, eggs, and I used the lemon too. And I remember what she said. She said, if you like to put some mayonnaise, feel free to do that. I had some homemade mayonnaise, so I had to put it by the side. We combined this beautiful vegetable and it not in any particular order, okay? And it came out so delicious. We had it for dinner. Thank you, Mama. We truly enjoyed it. I know you are watching. I'll be back for more recipe. Thank you guys for watching. And kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like and share our healthy, delicious recipe. Do have a beautiful day and see you soon. Thank you so much. We love you.